Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Today we've got this really special Volkswagen T6.1 Cromarty campervan. It's finished in ascot grey, which is my favourite colour. It looks absolutely fantastic. It's the talk of the town, everyone's talking about this colour. But this campervan is also finished inside in a new wood colour that we're offering here at Gerber. And it's a sand oak and it looks absolutely amazing. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in, take you on a tour of this campervan. Hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of B-roll. Now, please make sure also that you subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. It really helps our channel grow. We're really putting a bit of time and attention into these videos now because so many of you are enjoying them so much. And it'd be great to be able to share that with loads more people out there. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment, let us know what you think about this campervan. This one is an absolute beauty. I absolutely love it. It's my favourite colour of van, favourite colour of furniture, and it's got a few fittings that I really like too. Now, this is a Volkswagen T6.1 long wheelbase campervan. It's the Cromarty, we call it, and there's a few things that are unique to the Cromarty. So the Cromarty comes as standard with a wider bed in the back, and you'll see we use these rib seat beds. Now, rib beds are a little bit different from the typical rock and roll bed. We much prefer them. They're way safer, they're way better to fit, they're much quieter. Rock and roll beds can typically be quite noisy and rattly in the way that they work, and over time the mechanism for pulling them in and out can become loose, can become rusty, they stop working as easily as they once used to. Rib beds just looked at all the problems in a conventional rock and roll setup and just completely transformed the seats. So we've been using them since the beginning here at Gerber. We won't use anything else. They fit all the criteria of our full type approval safety testing. We've pull tested them. They're fantastic. On one side it's nice and comfortable contours so you can sit and be comfortable, and then they actually fold out and they have a sleeping side on the back of them which is perfectly flat, no contours, unlike a traditional rock and roll bed. So they're really good. Now the Cromarty is a kitchen in the front elevation roof, the more traditional campervan layout that you'll see, and in a long wheelbase like I said. Now the difference between a long and a short wheelbase is 400mm, which is this cupboard. So we have a Tyree layout, which is the same traditional layout, front elevation roof, but it just doesn't come with this cupboard and you lose that bit of space in the middle. So that's the difference between this one, which is a long, and the short wheelbase, which is our Tyree. Now this one is a T6.1, it's been trimmed in the bricks fabric, and all of our rib seats get trimmed to match the swiveling front seats that come from Volkswagen. So they can spin around and just make this really nice social space in the van. It's really good. And you've got rib seat down the bottom for sleeping. Let me just pull that out. Very simple to do. You pull the lever and you've got this nice 130cm wide seat bed down the bottom, nice comfortable sleeping side on the back. And I'll pop it up again just so I can take a seat. And we also have the ladder in this one. The customer spec'd this van with a ladder to go up into the roof bed upstairs. And you've got a nice comfortable bed upstairs with these beach slats and a nice comfortable mattress which can take up to 150 kilograms. So it's a great little additional extra for those kids, or if you've got someone else staying over in the campervan. Really nice feature. And the Cromarty, because we have a little bit more space, also comes with a slightly bigger fridge. You may have seen in our short wheelbase, we have the same Vitrifrigo fridges in all of our campervans. This one is just a little bit bigger. I also mentioned that this has been trimmed in a new material. Now this is a sand oak. It's a new finish that we're offering here at Gerber, and it looks absolutely amazing. I think it looks really good with the ascot grey in the van. Let me know what you think. Comment down below and let me know if you like this combination of colours or what your favourite colour is for that. Now the customer's also gone for a barley floor in this one just to kind of match the cabinets, and it looks really nice. Now we also have this fitted out with a Wallace hob, and the Wallace is a diesel night heater and hot plate for cooking combination, 2-in-1 unit, and it's really good. Beautiful stainless steel finish. You lift up the lid and you've got your little controller at the front here. You've got hot and a cold side. That diesel hot plate, really efficient, great for cooking. And when you close the lid, you can engage the child lock. You've got thermostatic control, so you can control the ambient temperature of the van. Basically a fan kicks in inside the unit and blows hot air out into the campervan, circulates around, keeps you nice and warm, and you can have that running all night. It's really nice. And Can sink in this one. All of our camper vans come with cooking and sink as standard. And this one is just a nice little sink, really deep. It's cold water, but you can spec your van with hot water from Gerber. Now, it's worth talking about our lead times just now. So this camper van's being delivered this Saturday, so in 2 days' time. We're the 11th of August today. So if you are to place an order for a new camper van with Gerber or your own van conversion with Gerber, a full conversion basically, our lead time is now March 2023. There's been loads of demand. We're absolutely gobsmacked by the demand, and we're also just so astonished by the amount of people in the group that have been saying great things about Gerber. They like the layouts. You guys, our past customers, seem to be having fantastic experiences with us, so we're really, really thrilled. We are an employee-owned company, and everyone in the company likes to take ownership and do what we can to try and provide the best possible service that we can for you guys. We always want your feedback, and hopefully that shines through, and our order book would suggest it does. So we're really, really proud of that, and we're also really thankful of our community for getting the word out there. All our camper vans also come with heaps of storage. So you've got behind the cabinets there, loads of storage. Same again here, same again here. Now, the interesting one is underneath the rib seat, we actually create a door which is big enough for this bipod. So I'll slide it out. Here we've got a portable toilet, which is a great little additional extra should you need it. Really simple to use. We've done a couple of videos on them now, and that just slides in under this rib seat. Fold the door over, lock it in place. And you've got another storage here, front and back, so if you've got skis or anything like that, you can run them the whole length of the van. Really tried to think of everything with a rib seat. And the way the rib works is it actually gives you full access under the seat, so there's not really anything obstructing you using that as a storage space. So you've got this entire locker under the seat here to put bedding in or any of those large items. It's really, really good. So it's looking great. What we'll do now is we'll take you around to the back of the van, have a little look in the back, and I'll show you some of the features there. So in the back, because we've got the wallless hob, it means that we don't need a gas locker here. So if you had a gas system spec to your van, you would have a big gas locker in the back here for 2 gas bottles. With the wallless, it runs off the diesel. It runs off we plumb it directly into the vehicle's diesel tank. So if you've got diesel in your van, you know that you're going to have diesel for your wallless hob. It's as simple as that. And obviously you've got that full width. Now I'll just pop the seat up at the back here. You can change the position of the back, and you've got that full height in the back too. The door that I mentioned, should you want to run skis or anything along the length of the van. And also we've got this nice handy wardrobe at the back. Just now we've got some of our accessories in there. Great for when you're sleeping, if the bed's down, and you can store your phone or other bits and pieces in the back there too. All the camper vans come with 2 tables. We've got one stored just here. This clips off into the table leg, and we've got another one which isn't fitted, which comes over the front seats. So you've got a table over this back seat, table over the front seat, so there's plenty space. If you want to sit, have a coffee at the table, you need to do some work, or you want to sit and enjoy an evening meal. Now, we also give the choice from Terry's Fabrics website. You can go on there when you order your Jerba Campervan and choose any fabric you like for your curtains. And a lot of people take a lot of pride in their curtains. We've seen some great options over the years, and it's a great little resource, a little bit of fun. You can really go as wild or as reserved as you like with your curtains. These ones are nicely coloured in line with the van. I think they really fit it beautifully. Yeah, really, really good. Now, this van has a Gerber elevating roof on it. All of our new conversions come with our own Gerber elevating roof. It's a product that we've designed, and we keep it exclusive to our conversions. We only fit it here at our base in North Berwick. And basically what we've done with the Gerber roof is we've tried to design the best possible roof that we can do. We've looked at every single component and every problem that we've had with previous roofs. We really just listed them down and figured out the best way to solve these problems. So things like bigger gas struts, bigger, thicker hinges, just so your van's more stable in crosswinds. And we've given this unzippable Ventile cotton canvas. Ventile's used by NATO. It's a really, really great material, a little bit thicker, a lot more durable. And we've got the zip on here. Don't know if you can see under this little baffle here, but we've got zip, so fully unzippable, and it runs on a track under the top, and we have the patent for this system. And what you can do is unzip the full canvas at home. Should anything happen to your canvas, you can just unzip the full canvas at home, slide it out. We can send you a new one in the post. You can slide it in yourself with maybe the help of another and zip it back up, and you've got a new canvas. Now, what this also means is that you can unzip the front, you can pop it up on the drawstrings, and you've got that full panoramic view out of your camper van. Or maybe you're cooking in summer, you want to let some of the heat out, you can just open up the canvas a little bit. You've got nice views out over the countryside or wherever you are. You can do your cooking on the Wallace hob, a little bit of airflow coming in, so it's really, really nice. And it's under 2 meters too, so you can get into all the barriers at all those beauty spots. So a great little innovation that's been really, really popular. And we're really proud, again, to put our roofs on our conversions. So hopefully you've enjoyed this quick tour of this Gerber Cromarty camper van. It's a really, really nice one. Love the colour. Again, we want to know what you think about the colours. What's your favourite colour of van? You can check them all out on our website or on the Volkswagen van configurator, where you can actually create your own T6 van and spec it how you want. Now, if you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment or subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.